Artwork. I've replaced all the sunflowers back where they were. Added some new stakes on others, but they're still droopy. But I have faith in them. Have faith that they will come back. Those two were the biggest ones. They have 6 plants, 7 plants on them a piece. 7 plants to 8 plants, sunflowers on them. So they're a little droopy and sad, but they're gonna come back. Gonna give them some fertilizer and some love, and they will return back to their normal state. So yes, they're doing good. And I'm exhausted. I rushed out here like a firefighter. But they're good. They're sitting. They're standing strong. I don't want to get at my neighbor's window, so we're going to come at an angle. See? They're doing good. They're tall. They're tall. That's gross. See? Look at her. She's gonna do fine. They're all gonna do fine. I'm gonna put some more mulch down and give it a good feeding this week and get some new posts in for the larger ones, and then they'll be as good as new. But right now they're feeling really sad. Hopefully some of the bees will come, give it some love. There you go, give it some love. That's all it needs. All it needs is love. See, there's a bee. Ooh.